Today we are making spicy chicken sausage chili fry that takes just about 20 minutes to make. So let's get started. In a pan, I'm gonna melt some butter and add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now, I'm gonna add finely sliced onions and saute them until they are slightly translucent. I'm also going to add some finely chopped garlic and green chilies. Now let's add the masalas. Turmeric powder, green masala, some salt, chicken masala, garam masala, coriander powder and cumin powder. Give it a good mix. After the masala has been cooked for some time, I'll add the chicken sausages. I've cut them into smaller pieces so that they cook faster. Add some tablespoons of water and cover it with a lid and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Add some chopped coriander leaves and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes on low to medium flame with the lid on. And our spicy chicken sausage chili fry is ready. If you like this video, hit that like button down below. Do help us by sharing it with your friends and family. And for more mouth-watering dishes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking.